JWEI Innovative Flatbed Digital Cutters LST03-0806RM. A true game changer and great compensation to existing finishing solutions of digital printing. Specially designed for cutting and creasing sheeted sticker, folding carton and plastic foil, is an ideal offline dialless finishing solution for digital presses, especially for orders of short-run production of high-quality folding cartons with no physical dies involved. With effective cutting size of 800mm long by 600mm wide, covering substrates up to B2 size, LST03-0806RM is built on the promise of delivering automatically, continuous and efficient workflow to achieve powerful through cut, piece cut, creasing and plotting at a single pass. The innovative automatic feeding mechanism works together with vacuum clamps on the gantry, loading each sheet from the loading platform onto the working area in position steadily for the next processing. The loading platform would always keep the sheet atop the pile of sheets on the same level for the next feeding process.
Optional integration with laser scanner of sensitive response guarantees operation safety at the maximum level. Click the crash reset button on the touch screen to continue the previous operation.
Together with JWEI control software, the integrated camera registration system guarantees precise cutting, creasing, and plotting performance. Barcode and/or QR code recognition function allows file auto-retrieving and initiating auto-cutting operation. The powerful vacuum pump ensures different sizes of material held firmly onto the working surface for superior cutting performance. JWEI LST03-0806RM, the game changer for your finishing process of digital printing.